The sky is no longer the limit. For years, we've looked at the horizon and wondered what it would feel like to truly pierce through it. Not just to fly, but to become the bird. When DJI released the first Avata, it changed the game. When the Avata 2 arrived, it refined the formula. But today, we are standing on the edge of something much more radical. The whispers from the testing grounds, the leaked patents, and the silence from DJI's headquarters all point to one terrifyingly beautiful conclusion. The DJI Avata 3 isn't just an update. It is a total reimagining of what it means to be an FPV pilot. If you think you've seen everything there is to see in the world of drones, you need to stop and listen. Because what is coming next will make every other Cinewhoop on the market look like a toy from a bygone era. We are talking about a machine that blurs the line between human reflex and machine precision. This is the story of the DJI Avata 3, and why it is about to become the most important piece of technology in your camera bag. The first thing we have to talk about is the invisible connection. The rumor mill is buzzing about OcuSync 5.0. Imagine a video feed so clear, so low latency, and so stable that your brain forgets you're wearing goggles. In the USA, where signal interference in urban environments is a constant battle, this is the holy grail. We're looking at a transmission system that can penetrate concrete and steel like they were made of glass. When you dive a skyscraper or zip through a dense forest, that fear of blackout is the only thing holding you back. The Avata 3 is designed to kill that fear. But a drone is only as good as its eyes. The sensor in the Avata 3 is rumored to be a massive leap forward. We aren't just talking about 4K anymore. We are talking about a specialized 1-inch sensor optimized specifically for the high-speed motion of FPV. High dynamic range that captures the deep shadows of a canyon and the bright glare of the sun simultaneously. No more blown-out skies. No more muddy shadows. The footage coming out of this drone will look like it was shot on a high-end cinema camera. But with the agility of a hummingbird, let's talk about the physics of flight. The frame of the Avata 3 has been redesigned in the wind tunnel. The new stealth prop technology isn't just about making the drone quieter. It's about making it more efficient. In the FPV world, battery life has always been the enemy. You get 10 minutes if you're lucky. But with the new high-density battery cells and aerodynamic improvements, the Avata 3 is pushing toward the 25-minute mark. That is an eternity in FPV time. That is the difference between getting the shot and having to pack up and go home. Now let's address the elephant in the room: AI and autonomy. Some FPV purists say that real pilots don't need sensors. But let's be honest. When you're flying a $1,000 piece of carbon fiber at 60 miles per hour through a gap the size of a mailbox, you want a safety net. The Avata 3 is expected to feature a 360-degree LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance system that only kicks in when you're inches away from disaster. It's like having a guardian angel that stays out of your way until the very last second. This opens the door for creators who were too scared to try FPV before. It democratizes the sky. But what about the experience? The new goggles 4 are rumored to feature micro-OLED displays with a refresh rate that matches the human eye's processing speed. No more motion sickness. No more eye strain. Just pure, unadulterated immersion.